Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you step by step how to turn on emoji in your Windows 11 PC or laptop. It's going to be very easy and simple tutorial. So first, in your desktop, you can go to the settings. I'm gonna search it in the search box, settings, and hit enter. And then in the setting page, you can go to your personalization here, click on it. And then you can scroll down until you find taskbar here, click on it. And then as you can see in the system tray icons, you will find emoji and more. So if you hit Windows logo key plus period or periods dot, you will see the emoji and more panel. So let's say I want to make it always like this, and you can hit the Windows key logo plus the dot in your keyboard, and it will appears the emoji and more panel like this. And then you can type it or click it, and it will appears in your keyboard, and you can send it to your friend, your family, and others. So yeah, I think that's it. If you found this video helpful, please like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.